Before we get started in today's video, I just want to say thank you to everybody who's subscribed to the channel so far. We're hitting just over 400 subscribers. I would really love to see that number hit 1,000. Would be badass. Because at 1,000 we're going to do a giveaway, which will be announced later on as we get closer towards that 1,000. If you feel I've earned it, hit subscribe. I would really appreciate it. It helps out our channel, it helps grow, and helps get us seen more. Tucker's got his new Go Power Sports Racing jersey. These are from the Gambler 500. So they do have the Gambler 500 livery and sponsors on the back, as well as down the arm. There is, of course, one missing. Mine. So we got the Juggernaut driver for the Tri-Sport. And then I ended up ordering a whole nother 30 series torque converter that comes with the Juggernaut as a driver. And this is actually a really good deal because this is only like, I think it was like 50 or 60 bucks more than just the Juggernaut driver on its own. So if you're looking to get into a 30 series torque converter with the Juggernaut driver, they do make it as a combo pack. So basically, since I ordered 2 Juggernaut drivers, I'm going to be extra to standard 30 series drivers, which is why I ordered a whole new torque converter kit as well, because I've already got the standard 30 series driver for it, which is already earmarked for a project. So if you've got certain parts laying around, Go Power Sports makes it really easy to get extra parts that you need by buying a package if you've already have some stuff laying around, and then that kind of saves you a little bit of money. That is awesome. Very, very smooth engagement. So on the driven pulley on this, I moved the spring. I loosened the tension on it, so I moved it to the right hole on the driven pulley so that it shifts faster. I'm gonna move it back because you hear it rips right up to RPM. And I know it shifts super early. So I want a little bit more time in the mid range, so I'm gonna go up a notch on that, but let's give Tucker a shot at trying this new driver pulley out. The Juggernauts from Go Power Sports. Pull hard. This is how you adjust the driven pulley. So the spring is inside here, wound around, and it's got 3 different holes that it can anchor into. Stock is the middle. For the standard 30 series driver, I put it in the right hole, lower tension, shifts sooner. I wanted to go back to the stock hole, middle hole. We might end up actually going to the top hole, the left hole, for the most tension, so it shifts later, because that thing spins up really damn fast. So what you got to do is you got to take this snap ring off, and it's a bitch because there's a spring pushing out. So you take that off, that's going to fly in your face usually. While this is apart, I'm going to take the opportunity just to inspect the surfaces, make sure they're not worn out too bad, which these aren't. We're also going to make sure that these are firmly seated and in good condition. Excuse me, son. We're going to lube it up with just a little bit of dry graphite spray lube. This is the spring, and you can get different tension springs from Go Power Sports. So you've got a nub on each end. The nub on the fixed side goes here, and then you can choose one of the 3. We're going to go with the middle. Pull the handles apart. Más. More. Let it go. There it is. Easy. Now we're lined up in the right hole, and we've got the correct tension on the driver. Now you get the belt on it. And then you can line the Juggernaut. Okay, but you gotta also put the back in. Oh, there you go. Hang on. Hold it horizontal.
Do the back one first or the front?
It doesn't matter. Give it a little bit more. Put your other, yep, there you go. Put your other hand way out there. Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
Tighten up the Juggernaut.